5. Indirect costs. Ineligible costs included in the pool of indirect costs. If you use the actual indirect costs model, then the indirect costs must have a relationship with the eligible direct costs attributed to the project. There are a series of costs that do not meet the cost eligibility criteria, or which cannot be linked to the direct costs of the project. These should be removed from the calculation of the actual indirect costs. The ineligible costs would include marketing and sales costs, financing costs, exchange rate losses, goodwill, etc., as well as those costs with no relationship to the project. Many examples have been identified of companies including ineligible costs in their calculation of indirect costs. These have included the costs of purchasing other companies, costs of sales offices, costs of arranging loans, losses from exchange rate operations, etc. These are all ineligible items. In general, beneficiaries are reminded that eligible indirect costs accepted are those costs that cannot be identified as directly attributed to the project, but which can be proved to be incurred in direct relationship with the eligible direct costs attributed to the project.